Hey, morning everybody. Bah, man, I'm squinting like anything here with this sunshine. It is gorgeous. It's fresh. That's what it is up at the garden today. So yes, welcome. My name, just if you're interested, my name is Tony Smith and welcome to my garden. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button and hit the bell icon. And as always, I will give you personally 10 years good gardening luck, right? So do that for us. So today, what we're going to do today is, I'll just show you around there. I'm on teas tonight, and I'm going to be picking. And what I'm going to do is pick some beetroot, definitely, because I'm going to do it with the, you know, the honey glaze and the balsamic vinegar later on in the house. And someone mentioned a good tip in the greenhouse. Sorry, in the polytunnel. I'll just show you go in here. What I'm going to do as well. Oh yes. The floating shelf is still up there, so I'm going to just do a little kind of mod on that I should have done a while ago. But one of the big things, this is the big thing, there's a competition today, yes. In here is the prize that will last you all year, and man, what can I say, it's just fantastic. Come on, we'll go in there. Should we do it in there or in out? No, we'll do it out here. We'll do it out here. I'll bring a chair and I'm not going to tell you how to win it just yet, but I'm going to show you what the prize is. Come with me. I'll tell you what, I'm rather excited about it, to be honest. When they came through the post, I was like, oh, definitely. So let's just make sure I've got, yeah, that works there. Can you tell what it, oh, look at them. All my new ones are starting to grow, so that's nice. I thought I might have to take them to the house and get a little bit heat off them. Steve Greenside Up recommended that, but they've just come away. I guess they're wintry salad, so let me, oh, I need my chair. No, I won't, I'll just, so like I say, we're going to do a bit gardening, and then at the end I'll tell you how to win this prize. But this prize is fantastic. 1 second. I'll tell you what, I'll put you on 5K because I can do that now, and I'll be able to zoom in and show you. 1 second. Right then, and this is where you'll be thinking, you cheeky sod. But let's have a look, I'll show you. In here is what I ordered from, my rockstar gardener, I think there, Mr. Charles Dowden's calendar. Now this is his new calendar for next year, and as soon as I seen it on his Instagram, and I'm on Instagram if anyone's interested to know, it tells you everything on planting, on what times, what days to plant, and I think that's just such, like, especially with a calendar, such a bonus. And I was just looking, and it's signed. Look at, so I don't know if you can see, I'll try and zoom in. It's signed, but I'll tell you about it anyways. Let's have a look. It's, say, the 1st of January 2021. No sowing, a great month for preparing beds and paths, even for the occasional weeding if weather's mild. And then it goes on, like I say, all the dates and the times to like plant garlic and sow this. And I mean, he starts early, don't get us wrong, do you know what I mean? And that's what I kind of like, and that's what I need. He's starting February, plant away. But what's going to make this calendar, because I've got two, right? So I've got one for myself in there, but this calendar I'll give away in the competition. Well, actually, wait till the end of the show so you can kind of watch the whole of my video. But what I'm going to do, I'm going to sign it as well. You're bloody right. This is going to be a one-off calendar. So there you go. Can you see that? So there's Charles and myself there. I've signed it. So there's no other calendar. This will be worth thousands in years to come, mind you. So I'll tell you how to win this calendar, and I'll put a link on to go and get, if you don't kind of win the calendar, go and get one, because I just think it's helping him for a start off. Do you know what I mean? And it's, to be honest, it's a bit like he's my kind of, this side of gardening, the method, this ideology of gardening's my heroes now. You know what I mean? I'm kind of fell out with the BBC, you know, that kind of ideology there. And I've had some great comments about that, video as well I put up about the BBC. But That's another thing, but I really admire how he kind of gardens, how he presents, just relaxed. Not, it's actually not like me at all, you know what I mean? It's like, mine. So stick around the end, I'm going to tell you how you can win that signed by myself. Charles, that's a one-off, man, it'll be framed, it'll be in the Louvre. Right, beetroot, come with me. Yeah, so this beetroot's actually looking a little bit bedraggled. I'm not sure when, I'll tell you when I put this in. There you go. I sowed it the 25th of May. So this was my second batch of sowing, along with this Italian beetroot. Did I? Yes, I did. Yes, I did. I've got another batch sown there, which will take us, you know, which will go. They're not ready yet, and I'm not sure. Oh, I did. Look at that, labelled. I just put the name. I didn't tell us when. But this was like a later sowing. And again, just in modules. But that'll be there for when these ones run out. And I'm just going to be picking loads of them lately soon. Because today I'm on teas. And I want to just do that, you know, like the roasted beetroot, where with balsamic vinegar and a little bit of honey and some salt there, and just like get them nice and roasted, that flavour. And these aren't that big, but they're kind of that nice golf ball-y size, I think. But they are, you see, look at that. Just lovely, to be honest. And I'll use my favourite. Yeah, what am I going to say? Links in the description. I love them, to be honest. I put a little bit of WD-40 on them, and they just work. Fiskars, do you know what I mean? I haven't come across anything better yet, so let us know if there is ones out there that you prefer better than these ones. But I just kind of think they're, mind you, I say so myself, they're lovely for just roasting whole. I mean, maybe this one's a tad small, but oh man, they're perfect. Tony, man, get you lad. I'll get a couple of these Italian ones to mix in as well, see if they're any good. Oh man, because they've done later, they haven't like went stupidly sized, so they'll be like as sweet as, they're the ones that have got like the candy rock centre inside them. Sometimes I find, you know, because you plant things and you can't use it all, but they grow like big and huge, and that's getting a touch big, that one. That's all right. Just collect these up first and put them in the bin. A little bit of a wash. So we'll go in the hut and do that little mod to me floating shelf, which I think, hopefully I've got the right size canes. And I forget who mentioned it, as usual. I'll just attach you 1 second. So I just put which I thought was a great idea, just put a cane to stop this kind of wobbly effect. Just put a cane. That'll do. So like I mentioned, this, even if you just go over and don't go for this one, go and get one of these calendars. It just gives you loads of little things, and just possibly vegetables that you haven't sown or you haven't grown before. Put it in as the time suggested, and then hell, you can but try. But to win this fabulous double signed, man, on the pack of giants, that's the one. Look at this, man. Look at that. Money can't buy that. Money can't buy this. I don't need any email address. All I need is, and we'll see it till Monday the 5th of October. So what is it? I can't remember what day it is today. I'm batting the ball. And anyway, it goes out today. The 5th of October is the closing date. Just put a comment in the comments below, just saying calendar competition. Thanks, Tony. You're doing a great job. Hey, look, you know what I mean? All nice stuff. And I'll pick one out, and you'll have to look out for the for me message to say, you know, you've won, and I'll send you that calendar, double signed by one professional, one great pretender. Anyway, look after yourselves, take good care.